When people are purchasing hose and tools and accessories, the first thing they got to think about is the application they're actually going after and what they're trying to accomplish. And then we match the hose and tools accordingly to what they actually want to do, what they need to pick up, and what they need to clean. So when it comes to hose and tools and accessories, there's a misconception of bigger is better or the longer is better. And what we're really trying to go after is what matches what you're trying to do. Sometimes it'll be like, we want a super long length of hose of 100 feet, but that could be getting in the way, or that could not be exactly what they want. We'd rather go with 4 times 25 feet to get exactly what you need where you need it. When you have too long of a hose, one of the issues that you can come in is curling or turning, and that creates 90-degree bends. So right there, you're reducing your flow, you're increasing friction, you're increasing the likelihood of early wear and tear on it. Maybe it's all the way down an alley, or you're in the middle of a shop floor and somebody could be stepping on it, run over it, or you're not sure where it is. And then also it comes into trying to store it, right? You have 100 feet of hose, it's very long, very big. Where are you going to place this when it's not in use? So we try making sure that we're putting exactly what we need where we need it. Some of the tools that we have are pretty much job specific and or designed to work exactly with what we need. So one of them would be a fluidizer. So a lot of times we have companies that come in and they say, look, I have this large pile, it's really big, I got a whole bunch of stuff right here. My guys right now are taking a shovel and just shoveling in. Like, I can't have them doing that, it's not very ergonomic, it's not good for them. So we would suggest, normally in these cases with a big pile, a fluidizer. So what a fluidizer is going to do is basically you can shove it inside this larger pile, and it's got an air intake, so it lets the flow keep going even though it's completely submerged. While if you had just a standard tube or tool, or even the hose itself just plugged in, you're not going to have the airflow come in. You might get some binding, backing up. We try looking at exactly the application and then applying something like a fluidizer for these specific cases. So match what you want to do with what we can do. So one of the reasons why it's really important to have the correct tools is you want your operators to be happy also with the system that you're providing them. You're trying to give them a system that's going to facilitate and help them doing their daily jobs. But if you don't have the tools that are matching, you might have this great system in place to help them, but now you don't have the tools per se to actually use that to what they need. So you got to match everything that you're doing with the tools that you're providing them to make sure that they're actually enjoying and seeing the full benefit of this amazing machine that you just provided them.